Affirmations. Do they really work? Yes and no. They do work if you use them correctly. So the right way to use an affirmation is to make sure that it has value alignment. It must align with what you already believe about yourself or that you are capable of. So how do you use affirmations? The best way is through writing if you can. Just write about your core personal values. Remember, when you're doing affirmations, try to think future values. So instead of the past, so instead of I was a great mother, I'm great at being a grandmother and I can't wait to see my grandkids. Be multidimensional. Find more ways that you love yourself, that you value yourself. Think authentic. If you don't believe it, you will not be able to make that affirmation work for you, and it can actually backfire on you. Repetition in order to reinforce it. If you can, do a daily practice, because the more often you do this, the more it will sink into your brain and become a way of thinking. And if you are struggling, if you're having a hard time even figuring out where to get started, use statements based on what you want to believe about yourself. I am becoming a more organized person. I am learning to save money, something that you believe that you are capable of, and or something that you love about yourself. And make sure that you strengthen your affirmations through your behavior. 1% better is enough for your brain to agree. You have to start with the 1% so your brain believes it.